Hey there, my friend. You got William James here, and in this video, I want to talk really quickly about how to make money from people who aren't interested in your business. So, if you're new to the channel, again, I'm William James. I do videos for affiliate marketers, network marketers, coaches, consultants, anyone looking to start and grow an online business. I specialize in free Facebook strategies. I have a whole group where I teach all the ins and outs of mastering the Facebook algorithm, getting free traffic on Facebook. And if you're not already in that group, there'll be a link below where you can join the group. And of course, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of the video in the comments, and please consider subscribing to the channel. So with that said, guys, today I really want to talk about how you can actually make money from people who aren't interested in your business. And this really comes down to one of the biggest mistakes that I see people doing, specifically in the network marketing world, but also with affiliate marketing, and even with some kind of coaching and consulting type offers, which is that people identify too closely with one particular offer as if that is the offer that is their business. And I want to stress, I've said this before, but I really want to stress that your business is not your offer. Your business is you. Okay? And you need to have multiple offers in order to really maximize the money that you're making from your audience. So, if you're following the strategy that I teach in my group, it's all about building an audience. It's all about building up a group of people who are following you and interested in what you're doing. And the issue that I think most people have when they're doing Facebook marketing and they're trying to do this is a lot of the time people have, one offer, like they're in a network marketing company, and that's like they think of that as their business. I'm a HempWorks affiliate. And they've got HempWorks on their Facebook profile, in their cover photo, and that's what they say in their bio, and like they're all about HempWorks or whatever the offer is, right? And the problem with that is that 90% of the people who are in your audience are probably not going to be interested in that particular business because every business is like that. I mean, there isn't anything that is going to appeal to everyone. And so, you are losing a huge percentage of people that you could be making money from if you've only got one offer, right? And especially if you're branding your whole business on that offer instead of yourself. So this is one of the reasons why it's so important to brand yourself in your marketing and not a particular offer. I try to keep my offers almost like as secret as I can because the business is me. Right, my business is William James, and I was listening to a marketer who's a bit of a mentor of mine talking about this the other day, and he used a really good analogy, which is that having one offer is kind of like being a grocery store that only sells bananas. It's like not everyone is going to want bananas, so instead you want to have, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing, there are so many different affiliate offers that you can promote to people. Just like a grocery store sells a whole bunch of different things, and the grocery store doesn't make those things. In a sense, those are like the grocery store is like an affiliate for the bananas, right? I mean, they buy the bananas from the banana, wholesaler or whatever, and then they resell them. And that's kind of the same thing with affiliate marketing. You want to be collecting at least a few different offers at different price points that will appeal to different people. So just as an example of this, the other day, I've been promoting this artificial intelligence text message robot system that pays $100 commissions, right? So I'm sure you've seen that if you've been following me. So I'm sure, that's cool and everything, but so what happened was this woman bought it, which was great, and she went through, and in the back office of that program, there's a link where it says check out your sponsor's primary business, and she clicked on it, and she looked at this other business that I'm offering, this other offer that pays $1,000 commissions, and that's cool and everything. And she messaged me, and she was asking about it, and we had a little conversation about it. I told her a little bit more about it, and she kind of decided that wasn't really the direction that she wanted to go in, but I said, okay, well, I actually have something else based on what she said to me that I think, I thought that you would be really interested in this. And it was this new business, this new company that's in pre-launch right now that's, completely 100% done for you. You don't lift a finger. The traffic is included. amazing suite of products that's going to appeal to the entire business industry. I really think this business is going to change the world. It's incredible. So I sort of said that to her, and she took a look at it and ended up joining, right? If you're interested in that, by the way, there'll be a link under this video where you can look at the information about that. It's going to be absolutely amazing. So that's not the point. The point here, guys, is that this particular woman ended up buying 2 offers from me, was actually interested in 3 offers from me. One of them wasn't quite her speed, but then there was something else that she was able to purchase. So the point here is, guys, is that if I had only been marketing that main opportunity, that $1,000 commission opportunity, I would not have been able to do any type of business with this woman, right? But I had 2 other offers that both appealed to her, and she ended up purchasing both of them. And so that's the point here, guys. It's like you can monetize almost everybody in your audience if you have a collection of different offers that sort of appeal to people at different points, right? So, maybe somebody is really looking for an MLM company and you have one of those, and that's cool. But maybe somebody's looking for something that's, not such a big commitment, like this artificial intelligence thing I've been promoting. It's $100 one time. That's it. It's not like a whole business. It's just a tool. It's a software piece that they can buy, and it'll help them in their business. So great. So they're not looking to start a new business. They can buy that. Maybe they're like, that's cool, but I want something where I need bigger commissions. I'm looking for a high ticket offer. Well, I've got that too, right? You see, so if you kind of diversify and you start to think of yourself as the vendor of different products, as opposed to, like a one product business, like, especially, this is especially a problem with network marketers. They're like, I am this business. This is my business. This is my home. And like, that's all I talk about. And it just doesn't work that well, because this particular industry, this make money online industry, is full of so many different people that all have the same basic desire, to make money online, but they're all at different points in their journey and they want different types of things. And so if you can appeal to those people and actually, have different things that appeal to them, you can monetize a lot more of your audience. I have something that's going to appeal to almost everyone. That's the other thing, is like, have offers that help people, right? I mean, I'm always talking about this idea of having a front-end offer that solves the pain in the marketplace. And you can have a bunch of these because there's a bunch of different pains, right? But having, for instance, a CBD company, it might be a great company and you might do really well with that, but it doesn't necessarily solve the major pain points in the marketplace, which is people need help, right? There's so many people in the make money online space are struggling. They don't know what to do, right? So if you have a couple of offers that are in the kind of tools and training niche, you can offer those to people on the front end who may not be interested in your, CBD business or something. And even on the back end, if you show somebody your CBD business and they really like you because, they've been following you on Facebook and they're a good audience member and they're interested in you, but they're like, what, that's not really for me. You can then say, okay, well, maybe you'd be more interested in this or this or this. And chances are there's going to be something there that would help them, right? Because everybody has the same basic needs, right? Everybody wants to know how to get more leads, how to get more traffic, how to get more sales, things that will help them. And there's a whole bunch of products that are in that area that will actually address those needs. So all you really have to do is, if somebody's not interested in whatever the offer that you have is kind of figure out like, okay, well, let me see, like, what do you need? Like, what do you need help with? I've got this tool that I offer in my group that automates Facebook friend requests and messages and stuff like that. So people who are looking to market on Facebook, a lot of people in my group buy that offer because it's helping them, right? So, that is a major way that you can, 10x your ROI on your audience, right? Because everyone in this space wants something. Everyone in the make money online space wants and needs something. They're all looking for something. A tiny percentage of them are like doing super well and don't need anything. But a whole lot of people, 99% of them need something. So if you can figure out what they need and have something that can help them, you can monetize your audience way easier. All right, so that's it from me, guys. Hope that makes sense. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And again, if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're not in my group, there's a link below. And there's also a link below to check out that opportunity that I mentioned that's going to be completely done for you, hands-free, traffic included, guaranteed signups. Amazing opportunity. So you can check that out below as well. And that's it for me, guys. Hope you're having an awesome day, and we'll talk soon. Bye.